Hey everyone, welcome back to Bud's Smart Home. Today I'll be walking you through the process of adding the affordable and reliable Shelly Z-Wave Relays to your Homey and SmartThings compatible hubs. As we get started, let me mention that I purchased the relay that I'll be featuring in today's video, and today's content is not sponsored by Shelly or any other brand. So as always, the opinions expressed today are 100% my own. Now, if you're a smart home enthusiast like me, you're probably familiar with Shelly. It's one of the fastest growing smart home brands globally, known for stellar customer support and backing their devices with a 3-year warranty. During the January 2024 Consumer Electronics Show, Shelly unveiled their latest line of Z-Wave devices. They recently acquired Qubino, one of the largest manufacturers of Z-Wave products. Their Shelly Qubino Wave devices are built on the latest Z-Wave S800 chip, offering cutting-edge performance. In today's video, I'll review the Shelly Qubino Wave 1. Like the other Wave relays in Shelly's lineup, this device is UL certified and offers impressive specs. This particular device is a 1-channel 15-amp Z-Wave Smart Switch relay with dry contacts and ultra-low power consumption. If you need power metering, check out the Shelly Wave 1 PM relay. Need to control 2 switches? You'll want the Shelly Wave 2 PM relay. These relays are ideal for controlling household appliances, electrical circuits, and office equipment. Plus, they double as Z-Wave repeaters, helping extend the range and reliability of your smart home network. I installed the Shelly Wave 1 behind a standard wall switch that I use to control the ceiling light in my utility area. One of the best things about this relay is how easy it retrofits behind any switch or socket, instantly making it smart. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions provided in Shelly's installation video. I'll drop a link to that video in the description below. The video offers a step-by-step animated guide that walks you through the wiring of the relay. It also clearly identifies which wires to connect to ensure everything is installed properly. If you have basic electrical knowledge, wiring this relay should be a breeze as long as you can identify the source and load wires. Just make sure to turn off the appropriate breakers and perform voltage tests before connecting anything. If you're unsure about any part of the process, I highly recommend hiring a professional to handle the installation for you. Once the relay is in place, I paired it with the SmartThings app. Important note, Shelly's relays require a custom edge driver, which I'll talk more about in just a moment. After pairing the relay with my AOTech hub, I installed a Fibaro window door sensor inside my utility closet door. This Z-Wave sensor works with a stock edge driver from the SmartThings driver's beta channel. You'll want to use the Z-Wave sensor driver for this setup. Next, I created a couple of simple routines in the SmartThings app. The first routine turns the light on when the closet doors open, and the second turns it off when they close. It's essential to have immediate lighting when I open these doors, as this area contains my water pump, bladder holding tank, water heater, and my main water shutoff, which is controlled by my Zeus valve actuator. I also have the ability to manually control the light by the wall switch, just in case the relay would go offline. Shelly's Z-Wave relays are compatible with SmartThings, AOTech, and the Homey Pro hubs. If you're using Homey, you'll need the official Shelly app. Homey's Shelly app supports a wide range of relays, including the newer Wave relay switches. Before you install Shelly Wave devices on SmartThings, be sure to grab the custom edge driver from the Shelly website or the SmartThings community. Subscribers of my Edge Driver package will find that I have added a Shelly Driver article that provides easy access to the Edge Driver channel invitation and also includes installation instructions. If you're not yet a subscriber of my SmartThings Edge Driver package, it's available for purchase for just $10. You'll gain instant access to over 30 website premium articles with detailed driver instructions for popular brands like Shelly, Zeus, SmartWings, Aqara, Third Reality, Ring Alarm, and many more. If you're interested in any of the devices featured in today's video, you'll find them linked in the description and also on my Amazon store. And before you go, if you're curious why I recommend the Aqara P1 Zigbee sensor over the Aqara P2 Matter sensor, be sure to check out the video on my left. I break down 4 compelling reasons why the P1 is the better buy for your smart home. Or if you're looking for a comprehensive guide to create SmartThings virtual switches to control actions in Alexa, then check the video on my right. I'll see you over in one of those videos.